Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a spa night routine. So I'm just going to put some water in my towel warmer and then get some washcloths and get them all steamed up and warm. This is something I feel that is super luxurious. I also add a little bit of eucalyptus essential oil. It completely takes this to a whole different level. Now on to the skincare. I'm just taking this phytonutrient cleansing gel because I will be using some modalities and I wanted a gel cleanser. I'm just taking a little bit of water and wetting my face before I put on the cleanser.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Na, na, na. And I wondered how.
After taking off this cleanser, I'm going to go in with my toner, which is from SkinCeuticals. It's the equalizing toner. I'm going to put it on this little gauze piece and then put it on my modality, which this is actually a professional modality. I am a licensed esthetician, so I have access to professional grade products. So this is something you guys can't purchase on your own, but basically I'm going to run it over my face and it's going to pull out all my impurities, blackheads, etc.
I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Now once that is finished, I'm going to grab this calming gel. It needs to be a gel because I'm going to do a little bit of radio frequency. And what radio frequency does is it's tightening the skin and it gives you kind of almost like a facelift appearance. I'm still very young, but I do it as a precautionary so I don't have to get Botox and filler. And it's super effective. But with this kind of modality, you always want a water-based product, which a gel is.
But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na na na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Now I'm just going to take a little hydrating gel and apply that as my moisturizer. This is a hyaluronic acid based serum, and I find it's the perfect moisturization level for my skin. Now I headed into the kitchen to make myself a cup of decaffeinated tea, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some water in the kettle and heat it all up and then get into bed and finish the night with a good book.